Not all digital marketing models are created equally. And if you are just starting out, choosing the wrong one can leave you feeling stuck, feeling overwhelmed, and ready to quit. In today's video, I'm breaking down 4 beginner digital marketing businesses models, what they are, how they work, and which ones I personally would choose if I was starting over again with absolutely no technical skill. If you're new here, I'm Andrea. I'm a 54-year-old widow, a mom of 2 amazing boys, and a hairstylist full time. And I needed a program that was easy enough for me to follow, but be able to create extra income online just to help me get out of debt, help me start earning income so that I could retire feeling comfortable. I'm starting this mini series to help you so that you won't become overwhelmed. Because when I started, I didn't know where to start. So I tried a few different ones. And that's why I'm going to be here helping you figure out which one is best for you. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways. You are selling other people's products, other things that they have started themselves. They've created it, and all you have to do is resell it. You get the link to what their product is, you promote it, you sell it, and you make a commission. So you don't have to create it, you just have to sell it. But you do want to have a little bit of following so that you have at least a hot market where to start. And that's why I liked it first. I started there first because it was easy. I didn't have to create a product. It was already a product that people already knew, people already understood what it was, and then all I had to do is promote it on social media platforms, Pinterest, or whichever one you like, whichever one is comfortable for you. The second one is digital products. It's either making an ebook, it's a course that you can resell, it's templates, it's a workshop. But with this model, you have to know how to create it. You have to know how to make the product, how to sell it, but the one product you make, you can sell over and over again. So that is even better. And because it's digital, it's not like you are bringing in an inventory, stocking it in your basement and selling it and then having to mail it out or sell it that way. So there's no cost of shipping, no cost of making it and buying it 100 times. You can make one digital product, sell it 100 times, and profit off of that. And that is probably one of the easier ones along with the affiliate. Model number 3 is services, like managing social media platforms, writing, graphic design, and even running ads for other people's businesses. This can be great if you already have the skills. The fourth one is coaching and consulting. You basically help people reach their goals, solve their problem, but with your experience. Now, this is powerful, but usually comes later as you have learned how you've built your own business up, your own knowledge up, and you have to have a following for it also. So if you're new, this probably isn't the first place you want to. So after researching and all of these models, I started with a blueprint program. It focused on affiliate marketing, but a done-for-you system. It was designed for beginners, people like you and me who have not had that tech skill yet or didn't want to create their own products. You don't have to bug your friends and family. And I loved it because it was easy to follow. You had the template of your funnel already made. You already have the email system set up with already 30 emails. So you're good for a good month. And that is how I started. This blueprint program will help you learn how to create content on your social media platforms. It teaches you how to get your perfect customers, let them come to you and you not go to them. And on top of that, it helps you learn how to market. It teaches you how to create your own program down the road. If you want to make your own digital product, it will teach you how to do that on top of it. So it's the first place you want to start. And then it teaches you so you can grow into many more spots after. So that is what I would say. The common mistakes to avoid. Here's one thing that someone should have told me sooner. Don't try everything at once. Just start from a beginner's point of view. And then from there, don't try to do 3 or 4 programs. Do one program, figure it out step by step until you understand it. And then you promote it, and then you can sell. This program Fortunately, you can learn and earn at the same time. You do what you're asked to do. You can create the content that they help you with. And in that meantime, as you're creating, you are earning money as you're learning the next skill. So if you have any other questions, go to the link in my bio to check it out. I can send you a free blueprint so that you can see what's inside of it. But if you haven't seen my first video, go back to my first video and we can start from there.